I am very aware of my mortality when I'm this high. Not exactly your typical warm spring day hike. Howdy folks, we are headed to Kelly Butte Lookout. It's in Snoqualmie, Mount Baker National Forest. It's one of the many fire lookouts that we have in this area. And this is an amazingly popular hike in the summertime because of the wildflowers. So I thought I'd do a little adventure and get ahead of the crowds and do an early spring hike. It was supposed to be in the mid-50s and sunny today. It's actually about 28 degrees right now. There's a real heavy, maybe 15, 20 mile an hour wind. Looking at the wind chill, I'd say it probably feels like it's about 15. So not exactly the warm, sunny spring hike I was expecting, but we must carry on. In case my wife is watching this, I'm still a good 10 or 12 feet away from the ledge. I am very aware of my mortality when I'm this high up, but man, what a gorgeous view. So I think I'm almost to the top of the hill here, where then it'll be more of a gradual ascent to the lookout, but just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Would be nice if I could actually see beyond the clouds, but I mean, it is what it is. So if there was any doubt about whether it's cold up here or not, there's these cool little ice crystals that have been blown in the wind. So they're stretching into loops on the side of the bank here. Just super delicate ice crystals and tiny, tiny little snowballs from about 15 minutes ago. Pretty fascinating. And who would have thought? Here we are, third week of spring. I'm not sure what the elevation is here, but I know the snow level this weekend dropped down below 5,000 feet in certain areas of the Cascades, so I guess I shouldn't be shocked. But just awesome. Well, it's official. Apparently everybody's right. I do have my head in the clouds. It's windy, it's cold, and it's kind of awesome. We're officially above the tree line. I'm sorry for all the wind noise. This next rise, hopefully we'll get a little bit of a break from some of this wind. Okay, so it's snowing again, and I think I'm at the edge of the world. Gotta be getting close. I'm up on a high bluff, and it's all rocky up here, so luckily I think the wind is what keeps the snow from accumulating. Guess that's a benefit, maybe. And the tower should be, aha, just coming into view now. Okay, well, we made it to the Kelly Butte Lookout Tower. It's a little icy out here, as you can see. Everything's frozen. And boy, what a gorgeous view, right? That is Mount Rainier right there. And the Cascade Range. Not exactly picture perfect, but what a cool hike anyways. On the backside here, there's actually another trail that goes down the other side of the pass, drops down about 3 miles to a river. In the summertime, that's a popular hike because then you can see the wildflowers on both sides of the mountain. And it turns the whole trip into, I think it's about a 12-mile round trip. Don't quote me on that. I'm always wrong with my distances. But as you can see, the snow, or I guess the ice, is picking up. So I am gonna head back down, try and get into some tree coverage, and get out of this. Well, we can at least say mission accomplished. Real quick, if anybody from the forestry department is watching this, your smoke alarm battery's beeping. Time to change the battery. It is a solid block of ice up here. I'm gonna head down back to the snow level, but try and get under some trees, and then I think warm up a cup of coffee, get my hands warm again before we finish up this trip. See you guys down there. Wait until summertime to come up here. All right, so this snow doesn't have any sign of letting up. As a matter of fact, it's actually getting stronger and stronger by the minute. So I am gonna skip taking that coffee break, and I'm gonna keep heading back to the trailhead where I'm parked. Because I'm not worried about me on the trail, but I am a little worried about the road conditions that it took to get out here in the first place. The road's kind of awesome. It goes from a paved road to, a regular dirt forestry road, and then eventually it gets narrower and narrower and goes through washboards. Some beautiful views along the way, but certainly not the greatest quality road. And this time of year, I just don't want to risk getting stuck. There's a lot of mud, a lot of snow, a lot of ice still, so I'm going to do safety first, get back down to the truck, get out of here, and get on with the day. So that's it for me, folks. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Certainly is one to put down in the books. I definitely want to come back in the summertime and see what the wildflowers are all about, because I'm sure it's just beautiful. But until next time, folks, hope to see you out there on the trails soon. Let's go for a walk.